Hello, Total Vigor Community. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we have a special treat for you. A quick and healthy tomato oats recipe that's not only delicious, but also supports your weight loss goals. So let's dive right in. Introduction to the benefits of tomato oats. To start off our journey into the world of healthy eating, let's delve into the incredible benefits of incorporating tomatoes and oats into your diet. We often hear the saying, "You are what you eat." And in the case of this tomato oats recipe, the adage couldn't be more accurate. Tomatoes, the star of our dish, are not only a culinary delight, but also a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in antioxidants, particularly lycopene, tomatoes play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Lycopene has been linked to various health benefits, including reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting heart health. Additionally, tomatoes are a fantastic source of vitamins, such as vitamin C, potassium, and folate, all essential for maintaining overall well-being. Now let's shift our focus to oats, often regarded as a breakfast staple. Oats bring more to the table than just a hearty morning meal. In the context of weight loss, oats are a game changer. They belong to the category of whole grains, offering complex carbohydrates that are slowly digested, providing a steady release of energy. This not only helps keep you feeling full for longer, but also stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and the subsequent urge to indulge in unhealthy snacks. Furthermore, oats are a rich source of soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucans. This type of fiber has been associated with various health benefits, including improved digestive health, lowered cholesterol levels, and enhanced feelings of satiety. In the context of weight management, the satiety factor is crucial, as it helps curb unnecessary snacking and overeating. By combining the goodness of tomatoes and oats in our recipe, we create a synergy of flavors and nutrients that not only tantalize the taste buds, but also contribute to your overall health and weight loss goals. So, as we embark on this culinary adventure, remember that each bite is a step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Now let's get cooking and savor the goodness of our tomato oats recipe. Your body will thank you for it. The ingredients. Now that we've uncovered the nutritional benefits awaiting us in this tomato oats recipe, let's take a closer look at the diverse array of ingredients that will come together to create a symphony of flavors and health benefits. Aside from our obvious star ingredients, tomato and oats, let's talk about the aromatic allium duo, onions and garlic. Beyond their ability to infuse dishes with irresistible flavors, these ingredients bring a host of health benefits. Onions contain compounds with potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, while garlic is renowned for its immune-boosting and heart-protective effects. Together, they add depth and complexity to our dish without relying on excessive fats or salt. To tie it all together, we'll use a teaspoon of olive oil for sautéing. Olive oil, a staple in the heart-healthy Mediterranean diet, provides monounsaturated fats and a rich flavor profile. Choosing this healthy fat option adds a touch of indulgence without compromising the nutritional integrity of our recipe. As we embark on this culinary journey, remember that the quality of our ingredients matters. Opting for fresh, whole foods ensures that you not only savor the deliciousness of your creation, but also nourish your body with the essential nutrients it craves. So gather these wholesome ingredients, and let's turn them into a delicious, nutrient-packed meal that will delight your taste buds and support your health goals. Cooking process. Now that we've explored the health benefits of our key ingredients, let's dive into the heart of our recipe, the cooking process. This step-by-step guide will not only help you recreate this delicious tomato oats dish, but also provide insights into the science of cooking for optimal nutrition. To commence, begin by finely chopping the tomatoes, onions, and garlic. This meticulous preparation ensures that each ingredient contributes to the overall flavor profile. Tomatoes, with their vibrant red hue, contain a spectrum of antioxidants, notably lycopene, which becomes more bioavailable during the cooking process. Meanwhile, onions and garlic add depth and complexity to our dish, not just in taste, but also in nutritional value, boasting anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Once your ingredients are prepped, heat a teaspoon of olive oil in a pan. Choosing olive oil adds a dose of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats while imparting a subtle richness to the dish. When the oil is shimmering, introduce the finely chopped onions and garlic, allowing them to sizzle and release their aromatic compounds. This initial sauté forms the flavor base, enhancing the overall taste without relying on excessive amounts of oil or salt. Now it's time to introduce the star of the show, the tomatoes. As they hit the pan, their natural juices mingle with the sautéed onions and garlic, creating a symphony of flavors. The tomatoes will gradually break down, forming a luscious, thick sauce. This transformation is where the magic happens, as the heat activates the release of lycopene and other beneficial compounds, turning our humble ingredients into a nutrient-rich medley. Incorporating oats. While the tomatoes work their magic, we're ready to incorporate our nutritional powerhouse, rolled oats. Add the oats to the pan, stirring them into the tomato mixture. As we add the rolled oats to the pan, we're not just incorporating a staple ingredient, we're inviting a wealth of nutrients that can transform a simple recipe into a nourishing feast. Oats are a complex carbohydrate, meaning they provide a sustained release of energy, preventing the sudden spikes and crashes associated with refined carbohydrates. This slow digestion process keeps you feeling satisfied for longer, a crucial factor for those on a weight loss journey. The fiber content in oats is another star player in our recipe. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucans, known for their cholesterol-lowering properties and positive impact on heart health. This fiber also contributes to a feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of unnecessary snacking and helping to control overall calorie intake. As we stir the oats into the tomato mixture, we're creating a harmonious blend of textures and flavors. The oats absorb the savory essence of the tomatoes, enhancing their natural nuttiness. This synergy not only makes our dish delicious, but also ensures that every bite is packed with nutrients essential for maintaining a balanced diet. It's important to let the oats soak up the flavors of the tomato mixture for a few minutes. This brief interlude allows the oats to soften while absorbing the rich, savory notes of the sauce. The result is a cohesive blend where each ingredient contributes to the overall texture and taste. This step in our cooking process marks a pivotal moment, a marriage of wholesome ingredients that transcends the ordinary. The oats, now infused with the essence of tomatoes and spices, elevate our dish to a level where health and flavor coalesce. Stay with us as we spice things up in the next segment, adding layers of complexity to our recipe without compromising its nutritional integrity. As our tomato oats recipe simmers and melds into a delightful concoction, it's time to take it up a notch and infuse our dish with a burst of flavors. In this segment, we'll explore the art of spicing up our creation, adding not only depth but also an array of health benefits. Let's start with the aromatic cumin, a spice that not only tantalizes the taste buds but also brings a host of health advantages to our meal. Cumin is renowned for its digestive benefits, aiding in the reduction of bloating and indigestion. Its warm, earthy notes complement the natural sweetness of tomatoes and add a layer of complexity to our dish without the need for excessive salt or fats. Next up, coriander, a fragrant herb that adds a citrusy, slightly sweet flavor. Beyond its culinary appeal, coriander boasts antioxidant properties and may help support digestive health. Its inclusion in our spice blend enhances the overall freshness of our tomato oats, creating a harmonious balance of flavors. To add a subtle kick, we'll introduce red pepper flakes. The capsaicin in red pepper flakes not only provides a spicy punch, but also has metabolism-boosting properties, potentially aiding in weight loss. The controlled amount we're adding ensures that even those sensitive to spice can enjoy a hint of warmth without overwhelming the palate. The beauty of this spice blend lies in its ability to elevate the dish without relying on excessive salt, sugar, or unhealthy fats. By using a mix of these aromatic spices, we create a symphony of flavors that dance on the taste buds, transforming our simple tomato oats into a culinary masterpiece. As we sprinkle our spice blend into the pan, watch how each ingredient disperses, creating a visual and aromatic spectacle. The sizzle as the spices hit the pan is a testament to the infusion of flavors, promising a mouth-watering experience. And there you have it, a delicious tomato oats mixture that's not only mouth-watering but also supports your weight loss journey. You can enjoy this as is or get creative by adding your favorite veggies or a lean protein source like grilled chicken or tofu. With the antioxidants from tomatoes, the fiber from oats, and the various nutrients from our spices, this recipe is a nutrient-dense, low-calorie option that can keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure today. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a journey, not a destination. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on healthy living, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. In our next video, we will be discussing about treatments for non-melanoma skin cancers and effective alternatives to surgery. Before you go, we want to express our gratitude for your time and support. Your comments and likes mean the world to us. Stay vibrant, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next Total Vigor episode. Until then, take care.